How to get promo code for Ryanair application. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Google application, go to its search bar and type the keyword promo code for Ryanair. After that, hit the search bar. Then after you can see in the results a lot of websites providing you offers and discount to use in Ryanair. Click on any one of it. Explore the coupons and offers available in the website. Make sure all these offers are verified. Click on any one which you like, and then in the next page you will see the code which you can cover, or sometimes it might not require any code and automatically the offer is applied. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.